Hello people, my name is Rob and today we are playing the Minecraft Tornado mod. Now this is a really popular series on YouTube, so I decided I'd give it a try. I'm just going to do it default with just the weather mod installed, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and create a world and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, I have just got into this world. And that is a very weirdly generated tree. I'm just going to mess with my settings a little bit. So I'm just going to tinker down this a little bit. I'm just going to, mess around with this. Just so we get the best frame rate and everything possible. So it's all really nice for you. So yeah. I'm just going to do that quickly and I'll see you in a minute. Alright everybody, I have completed messing with the settings, so why not start off. Now I did ask for a bonus chest this morning, but it seems, oh there it is, okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm not going to take that, I'm going to take all the good stuff in here. It's a shame we didn't get our stone pickaxe. I'm going to break the torches and grab a chest. Now I apologise to anyone if you can hear my computer fan going a little bit mad. That is just a little bit of an issue with my computer right now. It likes to kick its fan on a lot. So yeah, but when I get my new PC, hopefully this will be fixed. As for microphone quality, I will be hopefully trying to buy a new microphone or a headset soon. I did have one, but yeah, I kind of broke it by, tripping over the cord as you do. So yeah. So we spawned in a jungle, which is not the best place to be when there is tornadoes around, because tornadoes don't really spawn in jungles in real life. They don't really at all. Oh, I hear a lot of monsters. Because it's very hilly and really high, and so tornadoes don't like spawning in those places, and in real life too. So I'm gonna move out this jungle quickly. It looks like we've got a forest around here. Now I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but the seed of this map is Robbie5267. So I'm just going to move around here. I'm going to cut down some trees because we're going to need a house. Now objectives for this series is basically to to complete all these achievements while trying to complete them without dying. If we die, that means the series has to restart again. No, as in, like, if we die by a tornado, that means the series has to restart. But if we die by like a creeper or something, that means we can carry on basically. So I'm just gonna cut down here. Also guys, I have some interesting news for you. You might not care because I'm new on YouTube, but you might do if you're going. I am going to Minecon 2015. I'm really excited because that means I'm gonna get to meet the pack, because Vicstar123, Preston Plays are going. So I'm hopefully going to meet them and talk to them, or meet Jeb or something. I'm not sure if Notch is going, but you might do. Now why did I take the wooden axes out? I said I wouldn't, but that's just me being stupid. Okay, I'm going to get you chicken. Is it worth it? Probably. Okay, I am playing on easy mode. Actually, I'm just going to turn that to normal. Because it's a bit cheap to go in easy mode when you've been playing Minecraft as long as I have. So yeah, okay. I'm just gonna cut down some more trees. Then we're gonna find a place to live or just walk around and explore basically until the end of the episode. Now, this is my first video on YouTube, so you might not know much about me, so I'm just gonna talk about myself. My name is Rob and I am pretty young, as you can probably tell, but I really like gaming and technology, and I just found this out a couple of years ago. I started watching Mike7493's videos in Tornado Survival. Unfortunately, he has stopped doing it, but if the rumors are true, he is coming back to doing it. He did start it up again, and we all got really excited because it was like a new start, a new beginning. And he sort of just stopped it and started doing these other series that nobody really liked. I'm sure a few people did, but personally I didn't like it. Like, Mike is like the father of Tornado Survival. He is the creator or the person of the... I wouldn't say he's the first person to have the idea, because of course loads of people with the mod obviously started playing in their survival worlds. He was just the first one to like record it for YouTube, I think. Now, there was loads of mods showcases. Oh, was a little bit of lag there. I'm gonna collect this sugarcane and kill the chicken because I'm a boss. Okay. So yeah, there was just loads of like videos after that. Like Tanner690, he's still active. Now there is fire resistance, but I didn't actually put him on the friends list of my channel. Because I think he's a little bit unoriginal. He's a little bit inexperienced. You know, I know if any of his fans are watching this video, I'm just gonna get loads of comments. Look, I know you like him. His videos are pretty decent. He records probably better quality than me, but I just think he's milking it. Basically, he won't grow anymore. Like, after he hits, I think 10,000 subscribers will be his pitfall. So yeah, that's basically it with him. And Tanner, he literally just got a load of more subscribers recently. So yeah, he's definitely gonna still grow. So yeah, GG to him. I just got a Skype message. Apparently it's snowing somewhere. That doesn't really mean much to me, but yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna basically organise my inventory with my OCD. I don't actually have it, but I think I do. Anyway, let's just eat an apple here and head back to our furnace. I see another pig. Oh man, you know, I'm just gonna take that out for now because we really need to find a place to live. This is not a good place to live right here because it's still quite hilly and stuff, and it's full of trees. And when tornadoes come and tear all the leaves of the trees, dude, it's not fun because they throw them all over your house and you're basically screwed. Now, I haven't actually messed with the settings. Oh, it seems whenever I kill a chicken there's a lag spike. So as I was saying, I haven't actually messed with the settings of this mod completely, but I might change it so tornadoes are way more frequent. Actually, right now I'm going to quickly change this to 1/2 a day, because basically we all want storms, right? This is why you clicked on the video, because it had tornado in the title. And that's why I'm also launching a series called Tornado Files. It's basically just like the story of me and possibly friends, just basically going to tornadoes. Now this is my first commentary, so expect me to say a lot. I do naturally anyway, so you see that's just me. So yeah, oh, it looks like we got another freaking extreme hills biome. This is great, isn't it? We just need to get somewhere for the night, that's all I'm asking. Come on. Now I will have some music in the background to try and block out the sound of my computer fans. Well, yeah, it has 2 fans, I think. Yeah, 2 to cool the whole thing. Now that new MacBook will probably solve the problem, but I'm not getting that because, well, it runs Minecraft just as well as this does, which is good. And you won't hear an annoying fan, but it'll probably get really warm and crash a little bit more. So yeah, this computer runs Minecraft fine, but it's just like everything else this computer struggles at. So yeah, I'm probably gonna upgrade. So I'm just gonna get this coal here, coalings. We're we're almost done, guys. Don't worry, the wait will be over soon. We got this. Oh, jeez. It's just like these awkward moments where you have to fill in the silence. Okay, boom, okay. Oh, we had our first lightning strike. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I will make sure you can next episode. We just got a lightning strike. Oh, there's another one as well. So this storm is getting pretty intense. So just before the sun sets right there, I'm gonna, oh yeah, sheep. So I can kill these, get a bed, and then sleep through the night. And then possibly carry on walking next episode. Okay. I'm gonna try and keep episodes to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, it's just, come on, God, they just want to sleep. Come on, now. Okay, we're just gonna have to wait a little bit. Let's just check this area. We got. I don't get why these generate. These are annoying. They look so ugly. Okay, sleep. Okay, boom. Okay, so we've just done that. I'm gonna grab my bed and my crafting table, and I'm just gonna head this way probably. No, actually, first, let me take a selfie now. I'm just gonna have to craft. I say craft and craft. I am from mixed places in the world, so there you go. Okay, so it looks like we've got a little cave over here. Looks like I'm getting a lag spike like once every 5 minutes. That's not very good. Hopefully this video isn't too laggy for you guys, but I try my best. Right. Because there isn't really any good screen recorders for Mac. Jeez, I don't want to go down there right now. We'll explore that another day. Well, I say that, we probably won't explore it ever. So there you go. The last you'll see of that place. Screenshot. Okay. Man, I just hate how this new YouTube system works. So like, you need like 1,000 subscribers if you want custom thumbnails or something. I mean, like, come on, man. It's just so annoying. Actually, the channel on my channel right now is not the one I wanted it to be. YouTube's being a annoying person. Well, YouTube's not a person, but you know what it's like. Oh, I thought I saw some rotation out that way. So yeah, there's definite rotation out that way. So we gotta keep an eye on that. Right, I'm just gonna head round this way. Yes, a plane spawn. Now, if that storm is following me, we are not in a good situation here. But I'll try and get a house built ASAP. Okay, more pigs, great. Oh, jeez, I thought that was a giant cave for a minute. Okay, actually, yeah, I have an idea. We're gonna push these pigs in here. They seem to be following me, like they want to be pushed in. Okay, I'm gonna push them in here. Okay, leave that one, and I will come back to here soon. They can't get out, and I'm gonna breed them. Hopefully a tornado doesn't suck them up. They are pretty well covered there, so I don't think they will. Yeah, there is definite rotation out there. Jeez, this isn't good. Like, I turned it to half a day and boom, there's a storm. Okay, dokie. Right, let's just check our achievements. So, time to strike, monster hunter, we'll get that later. Time to farm, okay. Yeah, let's do that. Boom, there you go. Okay, now I'm just gonna quickly break some grass around me and attempt to get some seeds. Man, I wish it was like you used to. You had to like till the ground until you got seeds, and it was like So frustrating. Okay, we're gonna put our farm at the side here just for convenience, to say the least. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're also gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna get 3 more pieces of dirt to make this look better. We only needed 2. My maths today is great. 1, 2, 3. No, you can't. I didn't know that. Okay. I'm just gonna do this alphabet, you know. I'm gonna keep 1 spare, basically, because God knows what will happen. Right. Okay, time for a house, guys. This is just gonna be a starting house. Yes, it's out of wood. We're gonna get screwed over when the storm happens, but that's the reality anyway, you know. It's bound to happen. Okay. Just make it nice and straight here. Yeah, you guys see that rotation, right? See if I can zoom in. You guys see that, right? You can see the clouds rotating. Okay. Punch that out of the way. We're gonna run out of wood. We'll probably have enough for this at least. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Pretty roomy. Okay, we're gonna have to get some more cobblestone. See some in that mountain. That is dangerously close. I don't. We're gonna have to get a weather forecaster so we can see what happens basically. We've got even more coal. Man, coal is like so common. Like, actually, I thought like in Alpha it wasn't very common, but turns out it was. Coal isn't like very common. Well, it is, but it's so hard to explain because coal comes in such huge veins. It's like insane. Like sometimes you can get a whole stack of coal from one vein without fortune. So yeah, we've got way too much coal, but at least we can smelt all that food. Oh jeez, I don't want to spend the whole episode mining coal. Yeah, 35's enough. I'm gonna mine my way out. I saw some iron. So we can upgrade our tools. Now, I'm more of a miner, guys, believe it or not. Well, you can probably tell. So, I was gonna, like, with most series I've tried, I've just spent my entire day mining. I hear a skeleton. We are screwed. I did sleep pretty close, but I broke my bed, so... It's suddenly gone silent, there's no more thunder, so... Is that a good or bad sign? That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, there's still thunder. And that is still rotating. There you go. This is gonna be a long episode, guys. Almost up to like 23 minutes or something now. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I can't even. Nah, that's Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't remember the rest. I know my French numbers better than my German, and I do German. So there you go. That's just how I work. Sounds really weird how I work. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure chests do not get sucked up. Chesticles, as I like to call them. I swear we just got like loads more woods. I don't know. Okay, whatever. We probably had it in our inventory. So put the bed here. Oh, we already had a well, it doesn't matter. Oh, we can make this. We can make this work. Okay, just brightness. Oh, I thought that started getting faster for him, and I was just like, oh god, what are we gonna do? Yeah, what are we gonna do, guys? That's what I'm speculating right now. What are we gonna do in the event of a tornado? Well, probably run. I'd say we should get a shovel ready. Jeez. That is so like large and like huge. That's what she said, but come on guys, you saw that joke coming. Okay. Mine these? Or dig these rather. Jeez, that is so creepy. It's just like sitting there just like, don't mess with me, man. Yeah, decent, okay. It's just like, don't mess with me, man. I want to see him watching it, but you guys might want me to watch it, but I tell you what, it will get boring, you know. Just smell sand. I don't think this is gonna go anywhere. Do you guys know? You can't speak to me. Oh jeez. Oh, I thought that was a ravine. Okay. I was like, what? Well, at least we have a place to hide from tornadoes. And just. Oh jeez. See how close that was. This thing's getting violent. I swear. That's just so creepy, man. I'm starting to get a little bit laggy, that's what I'm going to say. I don't know, guys, I just like saying that's what I gotta say. Quality. Details. Whatever. I think we'll do okay. It's just my screen recorder going, oh my god, you've been recording for so long. So I might end the episode pretty soon, guys. I was about to say, I know this has been a short one, but it hasn't. I think this will just be enough glass anyway. We're going to use glass panes because when our windows get smashed in, we can easily replace it. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. But we don't even have a door. Mini. Okay, there we go, we have a door now. Oh yeah, okay. Maybe we don't. Okay, we do have enough. Oh, okay. Alright, so it's about to turn night. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, leave a like. And if you like my content, well, this is my first episode, so you're gonna have to see more, and there we go, it just died off. So we didn't get a tornado this episode, but I suspect next episode we will get a tornado. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. Goodbye.